Here, look at 3-pack coming in. Oh, big old freaking greens, all of them, every one. Oh my God, there's ducks everywhere. Take it. All the decoys are set up. Let's go get hid. Let's go get hid. All right, well, we are set up, guys. We got everything from pulsators to swimmers, magnums, down to the teal. So we're gonna get tucked in here. We got about a half hour or so till shooting light. Not sure if you guys can see me, but we are 5 minutes away from shooting light. 5 minutes. That looks pretty sick. Like, that looks pretty good. But yeah, we're ready to go. Let's do this. It's the final countdown. Here, look at 3-pack coming in. Oh, big old freaking greens, all of them, every one. Look in front of us. Look in front of us. This is freaking. Oh, we could have nailed those ducks, dude. Oh, that was sweet.
That was sexy right there. That was sexy. I like that. They might buzz us. Oh yeah, they're doing it. Oh.
Go home now.
Right here. Spoonies.
Spoonies. Yeah, 100%.
Did you see the drake in the back?
Kid in a candy store right now.
Yeah, dude, I am tickled pink.
You don't even know which one to look at.
I know,
This is good. Look, oh, they're dumping right here.
Yep. It's okay. It ain't shooting light, bud.
4 minutes. 4 minutes early, boys.
Dude, they're right here.
Oh my God, we could have blasted them things. Jeez. They are just going to town up north.
Right up front.
Take it. Reese!
Get the one green head.
Good boy, fetch it up!
What's he holding it by? The leg?
Good boy, fetch it up!
Oh, he's got it by the beak.
However you gotta get the job done, get her done. Yeah, he's got it by the head.
Beautiful bird.
Said, you ain't swimming away.
Oh, we got birds everywhere.
Reese, come on.
I don't think he has the bird.
Hold. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Hold. Place. Good boy. Give it. Good boy. 5 minutes into season, already got a beautiful green head. That's what we come out here for. Yeah, let's go. They were gonna land right by the old tank.
Yep.
Frank the tank got him.
Yep.
Sucked him in.
Sucked him in, dog. I'm out.
You missed though. What happened?
I feathered him.
Yeah.
I watched it puff him out.
Well, first half hour's passed. We've only had a couple come in. Honestly, before shooting light, there was probably 15, 20 groups. We could have hammered them. The group to the north of us was sure shooting a lot. Way before shooting light.
7 minutes before,
but we waited till shooting light and only got really one group to commit close enough to take an ethical shot. But I got one beautiful greenhead. Nick unfortunately missed. again.
Right here, 2-pack on our side.
Yeah. Okay, get down. We'll talk to you guys later. Oh, they're gonna do it. Take them. You got yours. Nice.
You shoot that hen. Water swatted him, but you know, it wasn't my fault he landed. So, still counts. Reese is on his way out there. Looks like another amazing bird.
Yeah.
Today, we're just shooting quality birds today. We did have a hen come in with him, and we let her pass because we don't need to kill every single bird. So, just doing some quality bird watching. Come on, Reese.
No Susie Slayer today.
No, sir.
Good boy, fetch it up. Yeah.
They did it perfect.
Yeah, they did.
Like I said, right here would be a little better.
They landed by Tank again.
They did. They like him.
They like Tank. Good boy. Place. Give it. Go. Here's your bird.
Whoa. Now this is a Minnesota mallard. I mean, we got triple curls on the back. But look at that. I mean, it can't get any better than that. That's a stud duck. That is a really pretty bird. Oh, it's a terrible picture.
Oh, shit. Single.
No. Please.
What is it? It's a greenhead. It's a greenie. Why did you move like that? What? You moved too early and he saw you.
I know.
You moved too early.
I did. I was trying to take a picture of this duck so I could send it to all my friends so they're jealous. And yeah.
He was coming in.
I know.
And then he saw you and he's like, no. I can't believe you messed that up. God
Dude,
dang it.
Want to get whooped today?
Dude, you messed it up
I
bad.
didn't.
Damn it. I was gonna mount that one.
You weren't either. You don't mount anything.
You get like 5 chances a day and you're like, "Ah, we only need 4.
Yeah.
Where'd they go? They're right in front. Take them.
How many did we get?
Just one, but it was the only greenhead, I think.
Yeah, that's what I was shooting for.
Reese!
That was the only greenhead in that.
It was. It was.
We must have been.
We
shooting
both shot at the
bird
same
got-
time.
Yeah, that bird got hurt.
Tried to bring him in this way. Come on. Good boy. Place. Hold. Hold. Give it. Good boy.
Hit in the boat.
Yeah, I'm okay with picking them off like that. What are you doing? Oh my god.
What do you mean? I'm getting
Oh my god. What are you doing?
in.
Not like that.
Why?
Jesus. First time? On a rock. Oh, Jesus. Jesus.